All right then, glad to have you join me back again on Business Breakfast. If you just joined us, this is Business Breakfast broadcasting live from our studios in Lagos, Southwest Nigeria. Let's get talking now. Before we dive into the conversation segment where we'll do some analysis of trading activities at the NGX, let me tell you that on Thursday, the Nigerian stock market saw a rise of 0.05% or 28 billion naira attributed to investors purchasing shares of Unilever Nigerian PLC and UPDC. The all-share index climbed to 104,056.21 basis points, and the market capitalization reached 58.83 trillion naira. This positive trend resulted in a 2.69% increase week to date after Thursday's favorable closing. Now, during the trading session, investors traded 226.31 million shares worth 7.48 billion naira in 5,823 deals. Now, First Bank Holdings, Transcorp Assets Corporation, GTCO and Zenith Bank witnessed active trading at the exchange yesterday. My very good friend, amazing analyst Ambrose Omodion, Chief Research Officer, Invest Data Consulting Limited, joins me now live virtually again, still in Lagos State here, to give us some insight and also in-depth analysis of what played out at the exchange yesterday. Ambrose, good morning. Glad to have you join me on the show today.
Thanks for having me.
Let's kick off with sentiments and fundamentals that led to another beautiful outlook at the trading yesterday. Take us through what played out yesterday. What are the sentiments that led to the market closing in green again? And then do you project that we'll see that happening today being Friday, the final trading day of the week? Your thoughts, Ambrose?
Actually, the market closed on a mixed sentiment yesterday. We saw a fair volume of 35% and 65% by volume. Then that investors are catching up on the 90 rally that was in the market since almost the beginning of the month of March. For me, it's a development that investors in Nigeria can tell you that there's no wider in the market. When market are in the market are running for 6 9 days, they are not profitable. Which also technically was almost what we call the bearish hammer and also a double top that signal like the evolution of the slowdown in the market. This morning, I'm not surprised if the market opened flat and marginally in red. So that people are catching up their gains. At the same time, all kinds are still on what inflation data. After seeing that we saw a little moderation, in the last productivity offer in the market, then since we expect to see the inflation today, it's going to give the level more impact after that their portfolio refinancing that is ongoing. But that is what for me. Don't forget that also already expecting more results to come to the market, especially on the financial sector, and financial sector, the banking and the insurance and other finance in the market to reach the result. That also give a good direction again in terms of what the need for income need that will come from this company or their payout at the end of the day. It will determine the next step or next direction of the market. On today being Friday, I said that the market will slow down in terms of what profit taking. I would also one of the market guidelines that any of the market, there's in the market, people are about to cash out their gain and come back. And the people that are in the market also to buy. Now I'm seeing a nice rally, come back to the trade to support non-investor to take another position for this market forward to reach the results. Those parts that say that the banks are not going to pay from their prosperity, which the Nigerian investor knows since last year. And they are also in that position. I want to looking at the market, want to that have come to the market report and there are two very numbers. See that there's no banks that have done well outside of what outside their FSA. That's also kind of impact for investors that what they're expecting is dividend from this this plan. When it comes like the actual people will not have found where the market is.
All right, now, there seemed to be a new development in the financial service sector. Assets Holdings PLC just saw a return of Igoje Aikimokwede as its non-executive chairman back to the board again. Now, how does the stocks of Access Bank reacted to this? Did we see a gain or the outlook was just as it was?
Yeah, no, when the announcement came to the market, we saw that the assets was up, and we expected this and what many market players were indicating that since the demand of injury, that this co-visionary of this organization, coming back as chairman of local development, I believe that also will keep everybody, in the company and back to overturn in any way. It might not be as far as that, but we the chairman oversee the board and also look at what the management is doing for me to improve the development that will help them and don't forget that I said that in Nigeria, the fact that helps the rural man that always practice them. And also, you can see how they do their concessions easily from somebody that has been in the bank for a long time. If you trust for them, but what is better looking at now, will be able to pay the kind of make the kind of moves we will see who they make as the MD. Yes, last year we saw them paying about 1.5 people at the end of the year after paying we that I want to see put for the kind of change in narrative for market last year. Now that we're seeing the demand of the board now and not the action the general manager group marketing director, we're able to make such move and also the board supporting them to make that side by paying the dividend also to keep the record so that the kind of protecting the record. Yes, we are seeing what that kind of reaction on the support. I believe that this performance is back. For assets, and that also keep them in that speed that we have access to.
All right, let's stay a little bit on the financial sector now, the banking industry now. 3 banks have projected projected a combined profit of 33.76 billion naira for the second quarter of 2024, and they filed this projection to the Nigerian Exchange Limited. Despite volatility in the operating environment, FX crisis, do you see these banks such as FCMB Group, Sterling Financial Holdings Company, and Jais Bank actually achieving this projection?
Yes, in any economy, I'm telling you that the bank is depending on an economy.
Yes.
And don't forget that policies have to work with banking sectors and industries, differently. But what we are seeing, when you see a hawkish nature from the market policy, naturally I think that the growth of bank policy was on the banking sector and other financial business like insurance. Why I say is that when the time says that it's one opportunity for them to make money, and don't forget that these banks are the one that have the money available, even with the 55% loan to deposit ratio that they still have to pay around. And I believe that also there was an adjustment, in the tax rate for the bank. But the banks know that as the economy is tough, giving money to the private sector, there is a small business. For those that are big groups can also have, for those ones that I know that the economy is not treated in well. But for the bank to avoid what we call an increased non-performing loan, they are likely to start looking at what I told them. And that's automatically, as we are seeing high, credit now, become attractive for them. And I think that is really what the for me, I believe that the bank will always have to navigate the market. And don't forget, because I said that any really day, the bank has started to work with them, but they don't have to work to make money from the economy. And I said, we are depending on the economy. No government, you have to go back to the bank. Even though the effort to assist you are going to do, if there's anything you make, it's to do by CBS, it's going to be decided by man. So there's a commission assignment of the process. And for me, the bank will say that projection is achievable by all standards. Yeah.
All right, so let's wrap it up now by getting your thoughts on the inflation report that will be coming up later today, and also the FPC meeting scheduled to hold, I think, next week, if not next 2 weeks. How do all of this going to play out on the trading activities, or better still, the outlook of the NGX?
Yeah, for me, I think the market will slow down today. I think that I will slow down that market has formed what we call a very sharp end of stage yesterday. And also, double top, this is the time that market is likely to go in backward direction. But I expect the market to close marginally down. But we think that Friday itself is in the market. But probably taking also play it through today. Yeah.
All right, we'll leave it at that. Ambrose Amodion, Chief Research Officer, Invest Data Consulting Limited. Thank you so much for your time with me, and also your in-depth analysis of market activities and the figures as they relate to us, the economy, and also to investors. Thank you once again. All right, folks. Let's shift focus now to our conversation segment on the show. Today on the program, we will be having 2 separate interviews One will focus on the role that women play in the Nigerian and extension African creative industry, which cannot be overemphasized. And then again, we're going to be looking at the impact of Binance exit from Nigeria cryptocurrency space. The storytelling industry in Nigeria is expanding and gaining global attention thanks to a host of amazing women. So in this segment of the show, that's the first conversation, we will focus on how Nigerian women are changing the narrative in the country's creative industry amid male dominance. Also, in a significant development for Nigeria's crypto community, the recent exit of Binance from the Nigerian market has sparked a mix of fears and opportunities as local stakeholders express concerns about the impact of livelihood, particularly for traders who relied on Binance Nigerian operations for their income. And finally, crude prices edged lower today, but we're on track to gain nearly 4% for the week, bolstered by International Energy Agency revising its 2024 oil demand forecast higher and an unexpected decline in the US stockpiles. We get talking after this timeout. Please stay with us.